Daniel, how is the job market right now overall?
I would say that the job market overall is still very strong. We do see that even though there are signs of cooling as the broader economy cools, we're going from white hot to red hot. So the temperature is coming down a few degrees, but overall things are still healthy. That being said, we definitely are seeing concerns, especially from employees. We've seen this uptick in discussions about recession, about layoff, comparable to what we saw earlier in the COVID pandemic. And I think that really just goes to show that concerns are very elevated right now, even if we're not necessarily seeing the same level of widespread layoffs. It's more about general concern about the economic environment.
You know, the one thing that I see, Daniel, and I talk to business owners big and small, either I walk into a shop or we have a CEO on the air. I mean, every single one says the same thing. Where are the workers? They can't find anybody, whether it's for some entry-level job or a high-skilled job. What's happened to the workforce?
Well, I think it's really interesting because maybe a year and a half ago, the concern was really about labor shortages because we were coming out of the COVID pandemic and we were really unsure whether we were going to get back the labor force participation that we had seen before COVID began. But on the flip side, I think now we're actually seeing a different picture where labor force participation has actually recovered significantly. We saw millions of workers come back into the labor force last year and actually end up finding jobs, right? The unemployment rate is near a 50-year low right now. But what we're seeing is that it's still very, very difficult to hire. And I think the picture, the narrative has changed. Instead of labor shortages, this is more about very fierce competition from employers. So it's not that the workers aren't there, it's that employers are competing harder than they've ever had to before because demand for workers is so high.
You know, I want to believe you, Daniel, but every business owner I talk to says, yeah, I lost people and they didn't take another job. They're just out there. Maybe that's in just certain markets. We'll see. I mean, are there any markets that are hotter, either type of job or geography, that are hotter than others right now? I mean, are there places that if there are people out there looking for a job, they should go literally or figuratively?
Well, I would say that the labor markets that are hottest right now are industries that include a lot of frontline service workers. So for example, retail or food services, and then also the adjacent industries that have expanded significantly during the pandemic. So you think about transportation and warehousing, the rise of e-commerce during the pandemic, that has been a sector where we've seen demand absolutely skyrocket. Right. And I think that this is also a case where there isn't always the strongest connection between businesses and their workers. Like people generally, those businesses face very high turnover. And so this might be a case where businesses don't know exactly where their workers are going. Like if they're turning over, are they going to a competitor? Are they going to a different industry? Are they just going out of the labor force entirely? I suspect that for the most part, these are people who are finding another job, whether it's in the industry or outside the industry, but that's not always clear to the business because that relationship has historically been fairly weak between the business and the employee in that industry.